Hey, everybody, it's your lovely Lotus Blossom Lizzie, and today I am going to be doing a bit of a spotlight here on some things that I've been working on for the last few weeks. So, if you love ephemera for your junk journals, making things for your junk journals, and even junk journals themselves, then you are definitely in the right place. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified when more videos like this one come out. So I have quite a few things to share with you all because Liz has been very busy. So first I'm going to start with some things that I recently put up in the shop, and you'll be able to check those out. Now this is a sea themed packet of ephemera, and it has, I believe, yeah, I didn't write it all down. It has over 30 pieces in here, and these are from the actual book, and so a vintage book that I had, and so I only have one pack of this available, but it has like all these beautiful pictures in here, and you'll see them on the digital kit as well because I made this into a digital kit, but I'm going to show you the digital, and then you'll see what's in here as well. Well, some of the pieces that you'll get in this particular pack. Actually, I have two of these packs available. I think I said I had one pack, but there's actually two packs available of this one. So I'm going to be going a little bit fast, but because I have a lot. And here I have some sewn journal cards, and you get 10 pieces of these, and I'll just show you one of them. They'll be randomly selected, of course. Oh yeah, I got this all taped in, but I made these from let me go ahead and take this apart so you can see it, because you know that's no fun if you can't see it, right? I'll try to gently take it apart, which didn't really work out that well, but that's okay. That's okay. For y'all, we're going to take one for the team. So I really love the way that these came out, because you can use these actually to put into maybe a card with a little note on it. You can put it on someone's desk. You can turn it any kind of way and they look very good, and you can make them into small pockets. You can glue them onto pages, and they all have the actual sewing. And I did leave the strings on here so you can cut them if you like. So again, it's going to be a random 10 of these in all different types of colors. So let's put this back in here and move on to the next one. We did these together, and I have available just 3 of these time card bookmarks, and they are quite lovely and sturdy, and they all come with a little book charm on them. So this is the love one here. And then we have, this is a green theme one here, it has a little Scrabble letter on there. And then this is the blue themed one. And I love the way these came out. They all have spots where you can journal on them. And of course you can journal on the back if you wanted to, or just use them within your books as bookmarks. And they make great gifts as well. The next thing we have here is I have some packed pockets of ephemera here, and these actually have, let's see if I can get one of them open. It is some random pieces as well. Y'all have these packed real tight. I got them packed so tight I can't take them apart to show you everything that's in them, but you can see that they're random. And this right here is a paper clip. So each one has a paper clip. They're all stuck into a pocket that you can use within your journals as well. And I tried to put in, some of these have like some extra note pages. They have sewing on them. I have some of the vintage, I call it suitcase ephemera. I have some suitcase ephemera in here. There's florals, just all kinds of stuff that you can use in your journals. And so I only have 3 of these at this time, but if I run out, then I'll make some more. But for now, that's all we have in there. And these again would make fantastic gift, but you can actually decorate probably more than a journal with what's inside of these packs. So you can check that out over at the shop also. And then I have some botanical vellum stickers, and I have only 3 left up in the shop. So as of this recording, there's only 3 left in the shop. So I was really considering keeping one for myself. So there are 20 pieces in each pack. So I just wanted to let you know, get those while they last. It'll be a while before I stock those back up. And then also, I just recently posted a video where I used some Monopoly money in my junk journal. And so I do have Monopoly money up in the shop as well. Y'all, I have a lot of things in the shop. Y'all just need to go check out Pleasant Creations, okay? PleasantCreations.com. And here are some bird pages. And I'm not going to open these up, but there are, let's see. I wrote it down. How many do we have in here? I believe it's 20 pages in each pack, and I tried to make sure that they were all colorful pictures that are in here, so you can actually cut these out and use them in clusters, on your journals, on journaling cards. They're quite nice, and these are the actual pages from the book, and it was a vintage Audubon book that I had, and I knew I could never use all of the pages, so I decided to share them in the shop. Then we have some book page envelopes, and we made some of these together. And I also put some charms on these. So what you'll get is a random set of these. So once this sells, there'll be some other ones that are available that'll be in a random set. And they have this twine enclosure here. Let me see if I can get it open. I tried to put a lot of twine on here, so you could cut the twine and use it for something else if you wanted to. So it has like this cute little tab on the side again, and I put a few little charms that I've made and a little piece of fabric. Each one has some fabric and some of the vintage numbers I'll show you in a moment as well. And then of course you can just tuck something in there and put this in your journal. And this again would make a nice gift to give to a friend. So you could put a nice little note in there, and you know, if you're nice, you could put some money in there too. For a birthday present. But you would get like a pack of 3 of these, and again they will be randomly selected, and they're quite beautiful. So let's put this aside. Let me just put this back in here, because I always try to keep things kind of packed up, because you know it's a little dusty down here in Florida, and I don't like for things to get dusty. And then we have some sewn pockets, and they come in some different sizes. There are 5 pockets in each one. These are the actual sewn pockets, and some of them they're backed with coffee dyed paper, and these are quite beautiful to stick into your journals as well. And I also call these floating pockets, because you can kind of just put them through, you can move them throughout your journal by just using a paper clip and just clipping them to a page. So I have quite a few of those left as well over in the shop. So let's get to the digital kits that we have here. So the first one is the vintage stationery kit, and you get 20 images with this. So I'm going to show you what the images look like, and of course you can resize things if you need to. And I also wanted to note that, you know, most of us make small journals, and so I didn't want the pages to be like a full page of a letter, because then you have to really fold it up. So I made things kind of not bite size. You can see it's a nice size. This is a regular size piece of paper. They're nice size images that you can use within your journals. And one thing that you can do as well is you can print these on coffee dyed paper or whatever color paper that you have, and the colors are super amazing when you do that as well. But these are just printed on white paper, and you can see they still have the vintage look, and these are from my private collection of vintage suitcase ephemera. All right, and then the next one that we have here is a Botanical Set, Botanical Set #1, and it is actually a number 26 Ephemera kit in the shop. And I did these in a whole lot of sizes again. So you have like some stamp sizes down here, and then you have some bigger sizes, and then as we go through you'll see all the different sizes that we have. And you can print these on cardstock. You can print them on regular paper. Again, you can print them on colored paper, and the colors will come through as well. And these are just very, very nice to have in your journal. And here's another one. And another one. I know I probably should be showing you like this. But I have them kind of turned to kind of I tried to maximize the space and get as much on these as I could. And there's actually 55 images within this kit, so you definitely want to check these out. Y'all look at that beautiful flower. And all of these images have been enhanced, so the colors come out really, really nicely. All right, the next kit that we have is a seed theme kit, and this is Ephemera kit number 25, and it has 90 images. And I call this the seed kit because it has boats in it. It has like seafood type of things in it, and I got this from a vintage book that I had as well and turned it into a beautiful ephemera kit. And also what I did was I printed some of the black and white images on green paper, so your whole print will not print out green. It'll actually be black and white, but when I printed on green, this is what it looked like. So you can use colored paper and you can print the black and white images like this one, and then it'll have like that green background on it, which is kind of cool, I have to say. So if you have like a blue themed type of journal, you can actually print the black and white images on blue paper, and then you can use it that way if you like matching your stuff up like that. So, and this kit has let's see, we have 90 images in here. Yes, folks, 90 images. So I tried to pack all the kits excuse me, with a ton of images. All right, the next one, y'all, I use this in everything, and these are the random vintage numbers, and I also did these in quite a few different sizes as well, so that way you don't have to try to resize anything. The sizes are quite nice, and I've actually used like a whole pack of these already, and it is 234 images within this kit. And again, I just did them like in all different sizes with random numbers. The numbers are totally meaningless, and you can see you have some small ones that you can use and make some charms with. Here's some a little bit bigger, and then we have the medium sized ones and then the very large ones. So you have plenty to work with, even just printing them out one time. Now, I also wanted to mention that I do have a print and cut service, so you can find the listing up in the shop with the instant downloads. And if you don't have a printer and you don't want to buy the printables, you can actually buy these as a print and cut, so you can see all the directions on the listings for that. So now we have some Halloween, because I've been working feverishly on Halloween and Christmas, but Christmas is not yet done. I'm still working on those, but we have some Halloween kits to share. And this Halloween kit is number 28, and it has 45 images in it. And I love the way this came out. They're stunning images, and they have like all your favorite Halloween characters, of course, and some spider webs and pumpkins and all kinds of stuff. And y'all, this is the mummy, and we got Frankenstein's legs, and this is the sexy witch leg right there. It's kind of cool. And then we have the bat here also. So on these Halloween kits, this one has 45 images in it. And y'all, I love these, and I'm thinking about doing an October daily myself, so that's something I would definitely incorporate. And then I have another Halloween printable that was just released, and this one is in full color, and everything has been enhanced again. And so we have like some stamps that you can use with some witches on the side here, some fun witches that are not so scary. And then we have some spooky images, photography, and I really love these a lot, and I can see myself using those. And then we have some kind of tarot card type of images here. I have a black and white one, and you can print those on some different color paper as well, because you know I like doing the black and white kits also. And then we have some more not so spooky images within this kit as well. So those are all of the Halloween ones. So that is everything. Y'all, I've been working, this is like from the last 2 weeks. I've been working on all these kits, and I have more coming up. I don't know, I just been kicking it into high gear. So you'll want to catch these. And again, there are journals that are up that you can have for Christmas presents. There's Christmas journals coming up as well, so you'll want to check those out. So we have lots of goodies, y'all. Just this is only an inkling of the goodies that are up in the shop. So I just wanted to kind of show you so that you can be aware that I don't not only make videos, but I also have a small business, and a great way to support it is to go over to pleasantcreations.com and check out the things over there in the shop. So thanks everybody for joining me. With that, I'm going to say love, peace, and hair grease from your sweet lotus blossom and lovable Lizzie. Have a fantabulous day and enjoy all your goodies. Bye.